Hello friends, this is SriRam Shastri. I am once again back with a new video to show you how to draw a bird. Okay, so it's commonly called as the Oriental white eye or Indian white eye. Okay, so a diagram of the same bird I'm going to draw. People who cannot draw in the beginning, they can take up the help of a particular tracing paper and draw it. Okay, or if you are good at art or good at drawing, then instead of using these tracing paper, you can directly draw it with taking the reference diagram in front of you. Okay, so particularly this diagram will be somewhat difficult to draw in the beginning. Okay, so as you approach the diagram, it becomes easy. Okay, you have to just make your hands smooth enough to run on the surface of the paper. Once they run smoothly on the paper, then it will become very easy for you to draw the diagram. Okay, so this is one. So you can draw it simply. You can show some of the detailings. Okay, so you can show some details over here. Okay, so this is the eye. So why is it called as the Oriental white eye? Is surrounding its eye, it has a white patch. Okay, so surrounding its eye, it is having a white patch. Because of its white patch, it's been called as Oriental white eye. Okay, so if you want, you can draw a branch surrounding it. Okay, so on a particular twig it might be sitting, so you can also show that. Just randomly some twig on which this bird is going to sit. You can draw the legs of this particular bird here, slender and sleek legs because it is having a very thin leg. Okay, so this is the branch. You can show the claws. Okay, right, so with the help of the pencil shading, you can show what you call as the bird's details if possible. So always the lower side, because the light doesn't reach here properly, it will be darker than the upper one. Okay, so you can show the detailings of this bird with the help of lines. Okay, it's very easy to just show the strokes of the feathers, okay, and its body. Okay, Indian white eye or Oriental white eye, you can call it as. You can just show the detailings of these body feathers. Just fine strokes of lines. I'm not a professional artist though. I love birds very much. So because just I love the birds very much, and I started drawing them. So I used to photograph these birds. Again, photography is quite a costly hobby, so you can draw these birds. Instead, you can use color pencils also, or colors whatever you like. So presently, to show you the diagram of this bird, how you can draw this. I'm not using though. Okay, so you can show the lines of feathers over the head regions also. It's generally a buff green colored or olive green colored bird. Okay, olive green colored bird, this one. It's very beautiful, very small though. It's very difficult to observe this bird because the color its body has generally matches the background of the trees. So it's a quite beautiful bird. Looks like it's wearing white colored spectacles. Okay, so surrounding this you can just draw the rough black dots, as it has certain black dots surrounding it. You can show the detailing of the eye. Okay, so you can show dark lines over here. So this is the oriental dwarf eye. Very simple diagram of this bird I have just drawing in front of you, not a very complex one. So in few more videos I would like to show you how can you draw some of the birds also. You can show the scales in detail. Okay, so these are the digits of the fingers and these are the scales on it. If you want, you can shade uh, the other parts very clearly also. Thank you.